Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about how to use upper method in Python. So if you want to convert your alphabets into uppercase, then you are at right place. So we are going to experiment on a string. So first the variable is place, and here is the value, which is full house. And here I'm going to use upper method on this variable place. And how I can do it, I just create a new variable place up, and here I'm going to use the function, I'm going to use the method place dot upper. Okay, so it will automatically convert these uh, alphabets into uppercase. So now I'm going to print the value place and place up. Let's check this out. So as you can see, the first value give you the first output will be pool house, as we are going to output this lowercase, and the second will be uppercase. So in this way you can use upper method in Python. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.